Christmas and a blessed New Year. So this is the second time that I'm gonna do this video. So Christmas unwrapping 2022. So check natin kung ano yung mga laman, yung mga gifts natin last Christmas. So let's start. Okay, for the first gift, this is from Simon Gabriel. Okay, let's check kung ano ba ang laman ng gift na ito. Wow, ito siya. Gucci. Ayan, Gucci socks. Ayan, gagamitin na tayo. Yayamaning socks for 2023. Thank you, Simon Gabriel. Next is okay, this is from Joey and Regine and the Gamboas. So, Kansai Yamamoto. Yan, galing pa yata ng Japan to. Check natin what is inside. Wow. Okay, so set siya ng mga plates. Ayan. Plates ba to? I mean, for table. Ayan, meron tayong bowl. Ayan, for ramen. Siyempre, meron tayong cup or glass. Ayan. For tea or coffee and drinks. So, we have black and dark gray. White and dark gray. So, what is... So, meron siyang box. Mabigat yung box sa loob. Wow! So, meron pa siyang small plate or platito. Yeah. So, 2 plates. 1 white and and 1 dark gray. Thank you, Gamboas. Sana natin sila sa video natin. Super nice. And saya mo. Next. So we have from Musas. Gusto ko yung packaging na to kasi personalized siya. So I think coffee to yan. This is from Musas and from RD Group. Open natin. Sa mga gifts, no? Kapag nag-prepare tayo ng gift, siyempre mas gusto natin yung personalized. It's really different kapag personalized yung gift natin. So yan, wow. So this is premium hazelnut drip coffee. Ayan, so personalized siya. Ito mo. Ayan, so may name ng isang galing holidays greetings from the Musas. Ayan. Celebrating with Brew. So at brewstudio.ph. Brew Studio baka naman. Ayan, so may sa likod, may letter S ng malaking Santiago. Ayan. Seekers of Wisdom and Truth. Thank you, Musas, for these premium hazelnut drip coffee. Ayan, marami siya. So, 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan. So, kung mga ganito, para kayong inumin, no? Or buksan. Ayan. Siguro magtatago ka ng isa. For remembrance, for the whole batch. Thank you again, Musas, the Musas, for this drip coffee. Ayan. Next gift. And this is from Addy. Okay, from Addy. Parang alam ko na medyo naanan. Parang alam ko na kung anong laman nito. Sana tayo may hinana. Wow. Ano ba talaga? Saan ba talaga? Para nagkamali yata ng bigay, ah. Yeah. Para nagkamali yata ng bigay. I think, mas bagay ito sa asawa ko. So, Lami, meron kang pambahay na sleepers eh. Nagkamali ng bigay, oh. Amazing. Yeah. Thank you, Addy, for this pair of sleepers. Ang tulog. Ang mayaman. Yeah. Para sa asawa ko yan. Okay, next gift. This is from... Okay, walang pangalan. Surprise. Ito pala meron. Sorry. This is from Miss Jaira. Ayan, one of my students. Merry Christmas. So, let's check what is inside. Sabi niya, ano daw, they gave one of their products sa store nila. Ayan, ang ganda nito Classic Fit. So, the Savile Row Company and London. Wow, so siya. Classic Fit. So, check natin. The long sleeve nito. Long sleeve. Ayan, ito tayong gagamitin. So, mga next nating baka. May price ba? Ayan, may price tag. So, bagong-bago talaga siya. Classic Fit. So, let's see. Kasya kaya sa akin. Hopefully. Okay, wow. I think kasya naman siya sa akin. This is color gray. Wow. Thank you, Miss Jaira. This is nice. Very nice. I like the texture of the long sleeve. Kailan niyo maganda. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next. This is from Jackie. And this Jackie and Brother Dennis from Durdes. So, magagamit yata ito pang ito. So, we have here, ayan, laki, panalo. And pang pick up yata ito ng salad. Ayan. And then we have the bowl for the, wow, this is natural bamboo, made from natural bamboo. Ayan, magagamit natin sa mga next nating salad na gagawin. Ayan. Thank you, sis Jackie and bro Dennis. Wala pa tayong bubuksan. Okay. Next is, this is from Sheki and Jael. Thank you. And they are our students. Pathfinder. Wow. So actually this is for me and my wife. Pinag-isang kapag magkasama talaga. Pinag-isang. Wow, this is so nice. This is vanilla. Wow. And may shower gel tayo and body lotion. Vanilla sugar. And yung scent niya parehas. This is from Landers. Wow. Thank you, Jael and Sheki, for this body lotion and shower gel. Merry Christmas. Next gift is this one. Hindi ko alam kung kanino galing. Yeah, so happy holidays sa kanila. Walang name. Election. Pero ang kasahan talaga to. Yeah. Kahit walang name. Siyempre tayo mga Pinoy kapag pwede pang recycle yung gift. Ingat na ingat tayo dun. I mean, i-recycle yung wrapper. Pwede pang hindi gamitin. Wow, ang dami nito. I think this is from Alonzo Miguel. Yeah, there. So, this is my favorite coffee. Yeah, instant chocolate. Oh, this is an instant chocolate drink mixture with Ganoderma powder drink mix and from Dynaform. Wow, amazing. This is super healthy, so you can order this on their website, in their office, Dynaform. That's the name of the company. And good thing with Ganoderma powder, sobrang healthy siya. Ayan. So talagang makakatulong siya sa brain natin. And sa health din natin. Tayo next, wow, meron din tayong mini sandwich and biscuits. Namin ito, favorite ko. Sulit na sulit yung Christmas namin. And then we have instant cappuccino coffee mixture. And with Ganoderma powder. Sobrang healthy. Sobrang sarap ng coffee nito. Kasi para siyang kalasa siya ng Old Town. And if you're familiar with Old Town and Ipo, and sobrang kalasa niya. According to Alonzo's mom, galing pa raw to sa Malaysia. So, kaya masarap talaga yung coffee niya. So, hopefully you can also order this in their company there. Instant cappuccino coffee mixture. And from Dynaform. there's another one. Oh, seriously. Okay, so let's check. What's next? So this is from Jordana. Ayan, from Jordana. Yung mga nandito, puro food lang naman. Puro sweets. And this from Jordana. So let's open this. Wow. Good. This is another drink. Another coffee bottle. Wow. Okay, so this is Dreamy Blends. Wow. Thank you. Dreamy Blends coffee. Dreamy Cafe Latte. Wow. So this is an instant coffee, 10 sachet. Inside, dietary supplement. Whoa. So hydrolyzed marine collagen and reduced L-glutathione. So pampapaya. Thank you, Jordana. Ayan, talagang inumin natin yan. Ready na. Magpapayat for year 2023. Ayan. Next, we also have, this is from Kimbrosh and Kimberly. Ayan. Two of our students. Ayan. So, check natin. Medyo nahirap buksan. Ilan yan masyado ang pagkakabalot. What is inside? Wow. So I think this is, okay. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad. Psalm 118 verse 24. And thank you, Kim Ross and Kimberly. And from Papa Melrose. And kapag teachers ka, no, marami ka talagang sinusulat most of the time. Lalo na yung mga important notes na kailangan mong tandaan. Ayan. So talagang mga gamit mo naman talaga ito kapag teacher ka. Ayan. Thank you again, Kim Ross and Kimberly. Meron tayong pagsusulatan sa mga pwedeng kautahan